welcome back to my channel. I have a very special guest.
Just Manap.
Ayaw na yung pangalan niya. Just Manap.
Justin lang yung dati.
Oh, Justin lang yung dati. Ngayon nag-improve na Just Manap na. By the way, kaya Just Manap yung kanyang pangalan is because
I have my very own YouTube channel.
Yay! Thumbs up this video, guys, if you've been to Justin's channel. And of course, before we continue on with this video, don't forget to click the subscribe buttons on your mobile phones, as well as the teeny tiny bell button so that you can get notifications every time we upload new videos. So today, we have a very special video because we collaborated together with Salad Box. So, ladies and gentlemen, Salad Box is an online subscription service, and dati, pwede lang siya sa mga babae or sa mga feeling babae. Pero ngayon, meron na silang bagong line, which is the Salad Box Man. This is the girl version, and
this one's for the boys. So, are you guys ready?
Are you? Yes. Oh, ayan. Nice. Bakit sa'yo maayos? Sa akin nagulo-gulo na. Siguro dahil kasi tina-travel namin siya kanina pa. Kanina pa kami nasa Layasan. Trying to look for the
perfect spot.
Yes, trying to look for the perfect spot. Okay. So, first thing na bubungad ay itong card that says ang value nung sa akin almost, ano ba to? Medyo malaki na kasi. Almost 3,000 plus siguro. Yung sa akin, how about yung sa'yo, Daddy? Hindi ako magaling sa math.
Ganun din, around 3,000 something. 2,500 to 3,000. Mine, first item is Nitty's necktie.
90s.
Kasi knit.
Oo nga, Nitty's na. Nilalo ko lang kita.
It's called Pink Panther because it has pink and brown stripes all over.
Yeah!
So, Pink Panther.
So, the first thing here is this black pouch. And I think there's something inside. Ooh, okay. So, this is a sample of, ano ba to? Parang, beauty basket. Ah, okay. So, sample soap siya from Beauty Box. Nax, hindi niyo makita. Chain!
So, next item is a pair of pop-up socks.
Oh,
pop-up socks.
Say that 5 times.
Pop. So, from Folded and Hung. So, yun. Maganda siya. Pwede siya pang sneakers and leather shoes.
So, the next item here is full size. Na Tresemme, ano ba to? Split Repair Serum. I'm so excited to try this one out kasi all the ends of my hair is dead, diba, Daddy? You wanna feel it? O, diba?
Parang walis tambo. Kanina ko pa nakikita to. Bukod sa maganda yung pangalan, Top Cock. Proper and proud.
Yes!
So this is an all-in-one shower gel para sa mga lalaki na tulad ko. Ako gusto ko ano yung
shower gel pala siya.
Oh, shower gel.
Okay.
Pero nakalagay dito shampoo and body wash fused.
Okay.
So para to sa mga lalaki na kung ano yung gustong sabon nila, yun na din yung papayat sa buhok nila.
Okay. So ako naman, next items are these perfumes. They are from the brand Body Fantasy Signature. Ito yung Cherry Blossom Scent, tapos ito yung Fresh White Musk. Ayan, nabubulo na naman yung English ko. Okay, amoyin natin siya. Mabango ba siya? Okay. I think this, ang tawag ito, yung Cherry Blossom Scent ang mas gusto ko.
Okay, next item is Nivea Men Whitening Facial Scrub.
Oh! Okay. I think this is for the acne.
Acne Oil Control Facial Scrub.
Alam mo, one thing I hate about him, kasi hindi siya tinitigaw. Nakakainis. Yung mukha ko, bukbukin talaga yung mukha ko, pero yung mukha ni Justin, ewan ko nga ba.
Pero I could use this.
Meron silang binigay dito sa akin na sample ng Glam Glow. Ayan. So, wala na akong masabi.
Mine is an item from BMB Hypoallergenics. It's a shaving cream for all beard types. Description niya, brace, peppery, cooling, anti-acne, monolaurin.
My turn. And this one I really like. Okay, inside this aqua blue ba to? Basta inside this aqua blue pouch, meron ditong organic massage oil. Wow!
Mas kailangan mo.
Kailangan mo ba yan? Ayan. So, ito yung itsura niya. Amoy natin siya kung amoy. Ito isa, cooling eucalyptus.
This one is soothing lavender.
Wow, ang bango. Amoy siya.
Ay,
amoy mo to. Ito isa. Lavender naman to isa.
Next one is another item from Top Cock. This one is silver odor neutralizer for man parts. I don't know what they mean with man parts.
Item inside my box is this sleek, what is this? Sleek Makeup Workshop, GC, worth 1,000 pesos. And this one is the True Color lipstick na hindi ko mabuksan kasi may sticker. Pero hindi ko na siya bubuksan, guys. I think I would want to give this away to them, no? Kasi I have so many lipsticks. So, yes, this one is in the shade Barely There. Ooh!
Use this. Gimme Brow.
Benefit. Gimme Brow. Okay. So, sample size. I love the packaging.
Brow volumizing fiber gel. So, what does it do, baby?
It actually makes your brow look more fierce. More fierce. Hindi, actually, para yung brows mo mas maging on fleek siya, well-groomed. And meron kang ano dito, isa pa, nakita ko. Ito, may GC siya.
Oh, alright.
This is gonna be a good video, guys. Diba? Parang ano to, ano ba ito dali? Masaya mo nga? Present,
this
ito.
card is Benefit Boutique and a complimentary brow wax service worth 650.
Okay. So guys, alam niyo na ang susunod na magiging video ni Justin. Dadalhin natin siya sa Benefit para i-wax ang kanyang man brows. Meron ba siya? Tingin ka nga sa camera. Makapal ba? Skin Perfect 500 peso GC.
I have that one.
Oh, you do? Oh, so I can use it na lang. Okay na lang ito. Ayan. So meron din siya. So worth 1,000 na. And, ito, sobrang excited ako to try this out. Okay, para siyang, akala ko na una tea, but this is actually a facial steam botanical something. So, sabi dito, ito yung nila, parang ano ba to? Drop Wildflower Blend. Hold your face over the steam water. Para yung usok, may pagka-aromatherapy siya. Ooh, excited ako. Sinong gusto na updated facial routine?
Alright. Sa akin, last few items is a sample size of Ferrari Man in Red. At isang gift certificate from Philippine Sans Barber Dashery. So, it's a 10% discount sa kanilang stores. I haven't been here, pero nakakita ko ng mga pictures ng store nila. Ang gaganda.
So, that's it, you guys. Of course, this video is not gonna end without any giveaway. Di ba, Daddy?
Giveaway.
So, mag-giveaway kami ng isang solid box for women.
And isang solid box for men.
So, all you have to do is just to tag us a photo on Instagram of your sweetest moments. We will leave all our Instagram handles right here. And then get the link, comment it down in the comment section. Make sure that you just leave a little bit of a description of what that photo is about. Just check out more rules down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye, guys! Good tayo.